Let's take a look at problem 36. Time for my tablet to blow up. There we go. Does that every so often. So 36. We got 8y squared over 9 times 18x over 10y. Now the instructions say simplify. Unfortunately, this study guide, like a whole bunch of them, say simplify. This is actually multiply. So when we're multiplying, our guideline is, when we've got fractions, if you can, number-wise, if you can divide a number on top and a number on the bottom by the same number, do so. And let's do that first. Here we got 9 and 18. Those are both divisible by 9. Well, 9 divided by 9 is 1. 18 divided by 9 is 2. So I got 8y squared over 1 times 2x over 10y. Now the only guideline is one's on top, one's on the bottom. They don't have to be in the same fraction. But if they are, that doesn't hurt anything. For example, here I got a 2, and here I got a 10. They're both divisible by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 10 divided by 2 gives us 5. So we got 8y squared over 1 times 1x. I'll drop the 1 at this point and have an x. And 5 times y. Now, we're done with the numbers. We got 8 and 5 left, but we can't do anything with that. So let's look at the variables. See how we have a y squared here and we have a y here? Having a y there is like y to the first power. Now, it doesn't matter if they're in the same fraction or they're in separate fractions, just as long as one's on top, one's on the bottom. If you got y to a power over y to a power, you're going to subtract the smaller exponent from the larger one. So 2 minus 1 will give us 1, and we're going to have y to the first power where our larger one was. Our larger exponent, that is, which is up here. So that leaves us 8y to the first there. And down here, the y disappears completely. So again, let me go over that. We subtract the smaller exponent from the larger one. 2 minus 1 is 1. And we have y to that power where the larger exponent was, which was up on top. Now at this point, there's nothing else I can simplify, so I'll just multiply straight across. 8y times x, I'll put it in alphabetical order, 8xy. And 1 times 5 gives us 5. Now I didn't drop the 1 here because for some people it's handy to see it in fraction form. We just multiply straight across. So our answer is 8xy over 5. 8xy over 5 is C, so 36C. And that checks.